Jeez. World pain in the butt. All right. Looks like Rob's happy today. Got KG up 8%. Rob, your KG's up. Looks like it's penny stock time. Rob, it's your time to shine, my friend. Roku Rocket up here. All right, Rocket actually not looking bad. You've got several pocket pivots. That one's not quite a pocket pivot, but not bad. Maybe a semblance of a inverted head and shoulders going on. Maybe a little bit early. I don't know. Rocket Mortgage. UAL up 2%. So Tesla's basically flat. KG. You never know. Cell H almost KG from 8 to 37. Actually, this one. If you recommended this one back in 2012, Celsius, another beverage, I would be impressed. All right, UAL's been consolidating in a little flag here. Getting off to, I guess, an okay start. Still within ranges, nothing crazy, but could try to get going. Rocket, Solo, NFE, Snow, RH. How's RH doing? We haven't visited RH in a while. I just jumped around. There it is. All right, RH fairly steady, not really moving much, but steady. All right, let's see what's on the downside. Net. Ooh, down 3.5 today. It's like almost every time net drops is a good time to buy. XPEV, Fastly, Donkey Kong. There's CellH, Nvidia. Maybe not a horrible place for some Nvidia. Nasdaq 0.33. And we'll see how it goes. AMD, Amazon. Amazon tightening its range, diminishing volume as well. Not looking bad. Not bad at all. UNIO, Trade Desk, Starbucks. All right, Roku 5%. Long-term turnaround breakout from July already doubled. All right, Tesla coming in a little bit. PLL 5%. Hmm. Where's my one with all my cool lines on it that are faded so I can see the chart. 3-year? Ah, it's the 3-year. There we go. Ah, come on. I hate this platform. Between this platform and my mouse being broken, sheesh. Horrible. All right, NQ 0.36 down. Roku space bouncing back. Oh, space yesterday. Came right back. Damn. Space is in vogue, son. I should have bought some back down here at the 22. Yeah, I think space is a good one, Rob. How's AQB doing? 4%. All right, EQB kind of back to our median distribution range up here in the 9.5s. Consolidating pretty nicely. VFF. Oh, VFF did pretty good. Do you still have it? Oh, can't keep up with your portfolio. There's too much going on. I was looking at Tesla yesterday, and I was looking at the volume at the end of the day. So the prior day's volume was 56 million, and the next day's volume was 64 million. 8 million shares different. And that is exactly how many shares they're selling. They're selling 8 million shares. They could have just done it all yesterday. I don't know. I just thought it was kind of interesting. VFF. Haven't seen that one in a few days. All right, nice. Glad I sold my option because it went stagnant on me, but yeah, it still looks good. Yeah, see, that almost doubled on you too, so that would have done pretty good. QBAMC, Very Fine Foods. How are you doing? Oh my goodness. Look at Very Fine Foods. Jeez. It's actually a really good shot of it. It's just because my mouse is broken. You contact Logitech. See, I still have the receipt. I don't get this. Like, where's your receipt? It's like, I have your fucking product. That's my receipt. Just fix it. Uber 1%. That is not Uber. That is not Uber. That is Uber. All right. So it's slowly walking up. Can't get too mad at that. GBTC, GMED, Starbucks, JD, UAL. I think that was up a little more earlier. Oh yeah, we're right back down. Thanks, UAL. All right, net down full 5%. Wonder if we're going to come back to that trend line. We've tested that line 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Could definitely test it a fifth time. That'd be a good way to get into net. Looks like they're Not quite a channel. Yeah. Yes. Can you go fix it, please? How's my kid gonna tell me to ruin my bed and laugh about it? It's like one, and then two or three on the S&P. What kind of Sanskrit is that, Ellie? AYTU? Morning, Aram. What you got? Jeez. Do you have some of those? You went all in on that, right? Just sell it. Just sell it. 718%? Yeah, just sell it. Pretty good. Are they getting bought out? Probably. You sold it last week. Well, you shouldn't have bought it to begin with, so it's all good. I don't know why this one's moving 700%. Doesn't It's not in the news. Usually you'll find a buyout or something. Well, that sucks, Aram. You can't hold every stock. There's just too many of them. And if you did hold all of them, then your returns would still be pretty garbage because you get one that pops up 700%, but it's 1/700th of your account. It doesn't move the needle. So, oh well, next. That's all you got to do. Come on, broken mouse. Quit breaking on me. All right, AQB. Going for it again. Don't get caught in that trap, Rob. Uh, those are just luck. Those are luck trades, Rob. Well, make sure you have a stopping point. They may stop hunt you, but yeah, don't get super caught up in the mix there, buddy. Oh, good volume increase on the daily though. I didn't notice that before. Oh, this isn't the one that popped like a hundredfold. Oh, okay. I thought this was the one that went up a hundredfold. My bad. Yeah, nice pocket pivot. Pretty good curl. Pretty good curl. Do you even know what they do? Yeah, WD Elf. I can't keep up. Morning, Frank. MMED. How do we turn into the penny stock show? What happened? Rob brings up one stock that goes up 100x. All of a sudden, we're a penny stock show. All right, AQB back with a vengeance. I don't know. Volume this morning pretty good. May have to jump back into that one. 1 day consolidation. Not bad. Genus actually was looking good. I didn't say it yesterday because I didn't want to believe it, but um, yeah, there you go. Some Genus higher low, kind of a cup and handle here. Did loosely break out yesterday. Good volume today. So Genus looks pretty good. Could see another move with Genus upcoming. That one's not bad. Though I'm not sure how genius programming. You fell on your bike, Ellie? Yee, I'm sorry, man. That's no bueno. All right, Roku blasting off. Remember everybody thought they were dead for a minute? Yeah, apparently not. Apparently they're back. MongoDB new highs. PLNHF still holding up really nicely. Beautiful chart. Rocket Mortgage maybe trying to come out of some lows. TWOU, not bad. Space doing really nice here. PLL, Restoration Hardware. Lemonade with an interesting consolidation. AMC, there's PLL again. Carvana, a little bit of chop. It looks like it's on the move again. Twitter, which has never been able to give a good return. EXPI. iRobot JD pays. FLGT. TRN. Unity continues to do pretty good. Booking.yeah looks pretty nice. Oh, there's Sherman-Williams. So Apple, I should jump on an Apple position. I think this thing is maybe just consistently going up. So yesterday they announced a new set of headphones. If you guys didn't see them, I think they're $550. I hope they're good. AirPods Max, they're calling them, which is stupid. They should have just made a whole new line. But I don't know. Wait for some of the views. Look pretty cool. Their new computer's really good. So, man, my computer's so damn slow. It's really, really annoying. It should not be as slow as it is. I don't know why it's so slow. Look at this. It's not even loading. I'm not sure if it's a JavaScript thing. I don't know what the hell it is. But they do look pretty cool. Well, I think they used them to make these headphones. Well, obviously they did that, but anyway, usual, pretty good marketing stuff from Apple. Nice looking driver, I'll tell you that. That's a long throw right there. So, looks pretty cool. 20 hours of battery life. Looks like $550. So another new product line from Apple. And we get more Apple upside. Everyone just buying Apple stuff. So yeah, really can't be mad at Apple. Not quite sure the trajectory the next run could take. I'm not even sure it's quite started yet. But our volume is already diminished. We're already back down here towards pretty normal levels after all that hubbub from the pre-corona run and the corona drop and then the subsequent, I guess corona's back here. Jeez. Time flies. So there's corona. Never mind. There's just the, okay, so that's the Apple split. I was kind of wondering where we could be next year based on that trajectory, if it holds. Looks like 200 for Apple. by next year. Should be January 2022. 388% is your max gain on that one for a year, which is pretty good. Hard to argue about it. 388% return. I think you have one too many families of zeros in there, but yeah, basically it'd be a 4 billion market cap company. I don't know what else to say. Don't know what else to say. Who knew it would get to 2 billion? So, I mean, it's a little nuts, but when you think about, I don't know, when you think about things, where else are you putting money? I mean, really, Apple's still printing cash left and right, most profitable company on the planet. Nothing stopping that trajectory. You got Amazon with a good growth rate, Tesla with a good growth rate, but they're not necessarily cash producing. So, I mean, who's going to sell Apple and bring it back down to earth? I can't think of anybody. Why would you sell an Apple? It's continuously giving you some of the best performances that the market's seen. So, yeah. Could it do that? Absolutely, it could. Just wait for that trend line to break. But yeah, that's not a bad return on capital right there, 388%. Oh, trillion. I said billion. Yeah, sorry, it is nuts. My apologies. Trillion. Yeah, not quite used to saying that. Yeah, so if you got Apple at a $4 trillion evaluation or valuation, what's to say that, Tesla can get to a trillion valuation? See, look, I already typed Apple enter and I get nothing but a stuck cursor. What is going on? I'm so annoyed. All right, 2.1 trillion. Yeah, so that'd be a 4 trillion. But income of 57 billion. Who even comes close to that? I don't think anybody comes close to that. Yeah. You go, Shane, there'll be a company. You can do like a Nostradamus quatrain. It'll be like a business named like a fruit, priced like a king. The zeros are, I don't know, how many zeros are in trillion? 12. You would think 12 zeros add up to zero, but they don't. Something like that. I don't know. All right, now I want to see the actual earnings. You're not going to show me earnings? Really? Walmart? Hell no. I think they still sell more, but they make way less. Really? You don't give me any income? That is ridiculous. Oh, come on, man. There's something on one of my browser tabs that's just murdering JavaScript. And then I look at my performance and I'm not really doing too bad. Memory's at 80% though. That's not good. Thinkorswim's at 5 gigs? Oh my gosh. Gotta kill that. All right, that made a dent. Sheesh. God, Windows is just a memory eating machine. Oh, there you go, Rob. Yeah, does Saudi Aramco really count though? I don't know if they really count. Morning, Mohammed. All right, dividend market cap. Really, I just want to see a profit margin. Stupid. Price change volume. All right, well, I guess we can just search by market cap, hopefully. Well, that didn't help. my memory situation much. Oh, Microsoft passed Amazon. Wow, Microsoft's gross margin is 68%. Holy crap. That's crazy. Facebook's is 81 and the profit margin is 32. Dang. Look at Taiwan Semiconductor. And Visa beats them at 50% profit margin. Not gross margin, which is like Facebook's, but profit margin. Crazy. Is there even an oil stock on here? No. Not one oil stock. This used to be riddled with oil stocks if you well, I don't know if you guys were trading back then, but about 10 years ago, before Apple started his crazy run. Yeah. Yeah. The oil, it just was covered with oil stocks. Exxon, Chevron. I mean, it was nuts. And that's all technology and healthcare, it looks like. Crazy. So Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple. Well, Rob was able to put a some semblance of a link in here. I just want to try to figure it out on FinViz. Thanks for not making me do that. But yeah, Apple. Net income 58 billion. Microsoft 44 billion. So they're going after that income. So I mean, there's no way that Apple's giving up that lead. I don't think 58. Maybe Microsoft could come up, but I don't know. So Microsoft, Bank of China, 41 billion. China, 35 billion. China Construction Bank Corp. Alphabet, 31 billion. Agricultural Bank of China, 28 billion. JP Morgan, wow, really? 25 billion. No kidding. Are they even on this list? See, why aren't you just there? There you are, JP Morgan. 34 See, they won't even tell you their gross profit margin. That gives away too many secrets. Alibaba, really? 24 billion. Good God, man. Really, JP Morgan? Double in the next years? What about year? I want a year. Ooh, Tesla just dropped. Looks like it. Down 1%. Why do I have time and sales up here? A little bit. Why do I have Tesla up here? I don't remember ending on Tesla. Yeah, I mean, that Apple trade, if that's going, that's gone, guys. 388%. That's pretty good for a year. Ellie, of course they're interested in those companies. They are absolutely interested. Look at this chart. Look at the fucking chart. By all of our metrics, they're still ridiculously, you know. I mean, Apple is probably let's see if Apple's doubled every year. Let's see. So 2015 has been in a downtrend. That didn't happen, obviously. How about 2016? 45%. Okay, this 2018. Yeah, there was a bear market at the end. That one didn't work out so well. This one obviously probably doubled. 102% there. This one, 60%. So, yeah, I guess it hasn't doubled every year, but barring market. So this was market weirdness. This one did 60. This one was a bear market. This one did, what did this one do? This one do 100 because it came out of the bottom of the bear market. Yeah. Came out of the bottom of the bear market. Then coronavirus. Not even taking that into account. You're still up 60%. Oh, maybe it goes up 60%. That seems to be a good number. Yeah, so Apple, Microsoft, also super tight range. Wow, look at the consistency out of Microsoft. Geez, that margin. I didn't realize that margin. Absolutely crazy. So what do we got here? There we are. 32% out the door. Taiwan Semiconductor, Visa, MasterCard, all super, super high margin companies. God, man. Wonder why money just gets sucked into the stock market? Right here. They keep 40% of your money. They keep 70% of your money. Oh, they got a 40% gross margin. That's pretty good. Tesla's is only 21%. Looks horrible. Oops. Just as bad as Berkshire Hathaway's 21%. 24% for Walmart. See that? And they only make 3.6%. Fubo? Which one's Fubo? Oh, launched off. It's a nice little, that's an interesting consolidation. Bounce off the 10. May actually still be buyable. Look at the volume this morning. Very good. I'm not sure where it could go, but definitely could go. What is Fubo? Ellie's sick of the, Fubo TV. Streaming cable TV. 2 billion market cap. EPS this year 33, next year 57. Sales 40%, quarter over quarter 1,000%. Wow, good numbers there. Options traders about Fubo stock. What are options traders doing? January 15, 30 put had some of the highest implied volatility of all options today. 30 put. Okay, weird. Pop in today, but apparently some 30 calls got sold. They're getting obliterated right now. This thing went from 12 to 30. I don't know. Could it go to 60? They don't even have a 60 strike price on here. The biggest they have is 40. And it's getting there quick. Huh. I wonder if that's a good sign. They're going to have to add some after today. That looks pretty interesting, actually. Streaming cable TV, Fubo. Great volume accumulation. Yeah, so IPO. Come on, man. What the? I really like it and hate the software all at the same time. Absolutely horrible. Has all the tools I need, but I don't want to use it. Just so bad. All right, volume. Very very aggressive here. Good volume this morning. Yeah, had a similar thing the other day and crashed. Oh no, it's kind of breaking a range here firmly. Support at the 10 day, the whole way up. Look at that. That's not an accident. I don't think that's an accident. Yeah, that's not bad. I don't think I have Fubo on here. Let me add this. I guess the question is if I were to make a purchase, because I do kind of like it. I like it right now, actually. The only leverage that makes sense has a ending strike price of the 15th, which is in 37 days, which also includes freaking holidays. So that's one, two. Well, it's actually only 2 days. Not too bad. So 35, 30 days. All right, let's do it. Open interest. Volume's pretty good in these ones. How about over here? Bid ask, open interest, lots of puts. So 39 to 62. $75 was a recent trade. All right. Let's see how it do. They're gonna have to add more options prices today, or well, next week maybe. Yeah, it's hard, Rob. It really is. I mean, I'm sitting super heavy in Tesla, and I'm watching all these things go off, and I'm like, man, but I can't feel bad because I mean, it's a good trade in Tesla, so there's nothing I can really. Just have to let it go. What is going? All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta restart this computer. This is just freaking retarded. I can't even type in my browser. What the hell? Oh, I got a damn virus or something. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I gotta reset this thing. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.